GoPro has unveiled the Hero 10 Black Bones, a lightweight version of the Hero 10 Black designed for FPV and Cinewhoop drones that have taken off in popularity. It offers features like hyper-smooth 4.0 and 5.3K video, but is light enough to be mounted on 3-inch class and larger drones. Bones is an important step in our strategy to leverage GoPro's core camera technology to produce derivative products that address the needs of a specific audience of customers, said GoPro founder and CEO Nicholas Woodman. Bones delivers Hero 10 Black image quality and performance in a lightweight body that is ideal for aerial cinematography. GoPro. At 54 grams, the Hero 10 Black Bones weighs 100 grams less than the Hero 10 Black, making it the lightest GoPro ever, the company said. Helping keep the weight down is the fact that it doesn't carry its own battery but is instead powered by the drone's own 2S6S or 5 to 27 volts batteries, a typical setup on FPV. The minuscule weight makes it ideal for fast and maneuverable Cinewhoop drones designed to take crazy aerial footage. The best recent example of that video genre is the drone fly-through of Tesla's new Gigafactory in Berlin. Meanwhile, the well-ventilated, semi-durable enclosure promotes continuous airflow cooling for long captures or flights, says GoPro. It also comes with a lightweight housing that features the Hero 10 Black's replaceable cover lens, which can be swapped for third-party Hero 10 Black and Hero 9 Black ND filters. GoPro. It has the same GP2 processor as the Hero 10 Black, so there's no compromise in quality or features, either. You get the latest hyper-smooth 4.0 video to stabilize shots, or you can do stabilization in post using the Real Steady tech in GoPro's new player Real Steady app unveiled yesterday. As the company showed, you can now combine hyper-smooth and Real Steady stabilization to create even smoother footage. As for video quality, it delivers 5.3K at 60 fps, 4K 120 fps and 2.7 kelvins at 240 fps in 16:9 mode. In the 4:3 aspect ratio that's best for hyper-smooth footage, you get 5.3 cat 30 fps, 4 kelvins at 60 fps and 2.7 kelvins at up to 120 fps. That matches the resolutions and frame rates available on the regular GoPro 10 Hero Black. It includes multiple means of control via a pair of physical buttons, the Quick app, GoPro Labs QR codes, GoPro's the remote or a drone's transmitter. It comes with a single screw boss for the drone mount, a standard FPV industry connector, and an optional in-box adapter for the GoPro mounting ecosystem. GoPro. As with other GoPro cameras, the Hero 10 Black Bones is cheaper with GoPro's 1-year subscription, which is free the first year. It costs $400 with the subscription and $500 without it, meaning GoPro thinks you're going to like the subscription benefits enough to renew. Those benefits include no questions asked, camera replacement, discounts on accessories, unlimited cloud backup and more. Either option includes a license for the GoPro Player Real Steady desktop app, or you can purchase that separately for $100. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.